Get to watch some Harley and Friends. Oh, it's coming on right now.
Hey kids, are you a big fan of Harley and Friends?
Yes! Are you sure? Yes!
Get ready for the new Harley and Friends action figure.
What? There's a Harley and Friends action figure?
Yes, there's a Harley and Friends action figure. You could do one of your favorite scenes from the episodes. It's cool. Order now, before they sell out.
I must get it! Chef Knuckles! Which food should I make? Chef Bob! Oh, what is it this time? I want you to go to Toys R Us and get the Harley Friends action figure. What? So you want me to go to the store to buy a stupid toy? It's not stupid, it's cool! Like the commercial says. Whatever. You can drive yourself. Go. Drive yourself. Fine. You're gonna be fired later. Whatever. Up here. Welcome to Toys R Us. May I help you? I want the Harley and Friends action figure. Okay, let me see. I got the last one. Good. How much is it gonna cost me? $20. Here, keep the change. I'm gonna play with my Harley and Friends action figure. What a telltale. Oh, what's taking them so long? Yes, I got my Harley and Friends action figure. Go do the dishes. Oh, fine. I get to play with it. Oh, I'm Harley. Let's go save the day. Woo!
10 minutes later.
Okay, Master Hand. I want you to take that stupid doll and take it somewhere far away. Good. Good.
Later.
Good morning, Coach. Chef Knuckles! What is it this time? Where is it? Where's my Harley Friends action figure? Ah! Where's my Harley Friends action figure? What? Where's my Harley Friends action figure? Did you take it? I told Master Head to take it from you. What? Hey, what was that for? That was my favorite toy! You're an adult, okay? Not a child. You have a son. Well, just forget it. I'm even watching Harley and Friends. Whatever. Time to watch some Harley and Friends.